This is John Trainer. I'm doing a podcast on smoking cigarettes and all of the harmful effects. First of all, what is a cigarette? Cigarettes are a thin cylinder of finely cut tobacco that is rolled in paper. There is a filter on one end and the other end is used to light. The tobacco inside of it is a green leafy plant that is grown in warm climates. Uh, First of all, the tobacco is grown using many different insecticides and chemicals that are very harmful to the human body. The tobacco and cigarettes are also filled with over 4,000 different chemicals. 51 of them are known carcinogens. Carcinogen is something that causes cancer. These chemicals not only cause cancer, but are also many other diseases. If a person were to eat a whole pack of cigarettes, they would die just from eating them. Here's a list of some of the familiar chemicals that are found in cigarettes. First of all, carbon monoxide, which is the same as car exhaust. Nicotine, which can be found in bug spray. Tar, which is the same material they use to make roads. Arsenic, which is the same as rat poison. Cyanide, which is a deadly poison, and the list goes on and on. The chemicals that make cigarettes so addicting is nicotine. Nicotine is said to be just as addicting as heroin or cocaine. A person is said to be addicted if they smoke 5 or more cigarettes a day. When people inhale the smoke, it goes deep down into their lungs, and from there it goes to the bloodstream. Then it's carried to the heart and then straight to the brain. It only takes 6 seconds for the nicotine to reach the brain. The nicotine in the blood only lasts about 45 minutes before it goes down and the smoker starts to feel symptoms of withdrawal. Withdrawal can make the smoker feel very irritable, angry, tired, impatient, or nervous. The number of cigarettes smoked slowly increases as the smoker gets more and more dependent on them. Usually smokers light up a new cigarette before they even feel the withdrawal symptoms. People who smoke low tar or menthol cigarettes need more cigarettes because they have less nicotine, so they smoke more of them, which is more unhealthy than regular cigarettes. After a smoker goes to sleep and doesn't have nicotine in their system all day, they are said to be able to tell how addicted they are by how soon they need a cigarette after they wake up. Tobacco causes around 435,000 deaths, or 1 out of every 6 deaths in the United States each year. 20,000 flu and pneumonia deaths are tied to smoking. Every year, 174,000 smokers will die from heart disease alone. The risk of dying from a heart attack increases 60% from smoking. 143,000 smokers die from different cancers. 83,000 die from lung cancer alone, and 26,000 die from strokes. Here's a chart on the death tolls from the 2000 United States Census. Cigarettes not only cause cancer, but they cause many other diseases. Some diseases that are caused by smoking are bronchitis and emphysema. Emphysema is a lung disease that has no cure. A person with this disease has difficulty breathing because the walls of the small air sacs in the lungs are being destroyed. There is no known cure for emphysema. Scientists claim that the average smoker will lose around 14 years of their life due to smoking. This, however, does not mean that a smoker will die young. They still may live out a normal lifespan. Another thing is the immune system of smokers has to work much harder than non-smokers. As a result, smokers' blood will contain less antioxidants, although a smoker's immune system may be quicker to respond to virus attacks due to its more active nature. Smokers are sadly not the only ones affected by smoking. The people that live with smokers or children of smokers are exposed to secondhand smoke, and secondhand smoke is said to have more than 50 cancer-causing chemical compounds, 11 of which are known to be group 1 carcinogens. not to mention the redness of the skin and the unappealing smell that comes with smoking. If you are a smoker and want to quit, you should do it as soon as possible. You can seek help on different websites or groups or a counselor. It's not only bad for you, but it affects everyone's health that is around you.